Good afternoon, guys. So today I just analyze RRB NTPC 2019 cutoff. I have written here RRB NTPC 2015 cutoff. So this is after normalization. You can see that here Kolkata zone 79, Ektoch Pro 79, 71.5, pure category, OBC category, and SC category 62.85 ST, 47.02, and Mumbai is so same here 77.49, not same here. 72. This club is this. I've just shown the data of these three RRB. Didn't discuss the rest of the RRBs. Now, today I already many YouTubers have already made the cutoff or what is your score for you can get qualified for 72. So in 2015 vacancies were 18,000 plus. And ultimately it drops down to 14,000. तो 2015 में काटा भी इतना गया, ठीक है? It goes these levels, and Kolkata is very competitive zone. If you Malda zone, you will get little bit low. Patna also. Okay. Now today I will just review the 2019 cutoff. Here vacancy is 35,000 plus. Now I will just say the not normalized score means after deducting the negative marks your raw score is what? My exam was on 27 Jan second shift and my score was 56.33 means I have just raised one objection and it would be correct. So that's why marks would stand at 56.33. Okay. Now my shift was moderate to difficult. So many are thinking that I mean to say lots of saying someone's score is 70 plus, 68 plus, 75 plus. So over 2-3 years the NTPC 2019 exam had been going. So इसमें there was lots of shift and shift में difficult, easy, moderate बहुत कुछ था. तो इजी शिफ्ट में जिसको मिल गया उसका तो नंबर अच्छा ही मिल जाएगा. There is no question mark here. तो rest of the students or candidates don't be confused that their marks is so high that they will be only qualified. Rest of the guys will not be qualified. This is not the things. Actual thing is this: those who have faced the difficult shift or moderate to difficult shift, they will get more normalized marks, normalization marks. So मेरा भी शिफ्ट में इसमें था 27 and second shift and this was moderate to difficult according to the YouTubers review and in previous year I have just appeared. So to compared to that year question I have to stand it and lot of YouTubers have already explained it. This is the moderate to difficult level shift. क्वेश्चन इतना इजी मिला नहीं और जितना ये हार्ड क्वेश्चन था इतना स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम में मतलब जीके सेक्शन में टफ थोड़ा था बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन. मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन भी इतना इजी नहीं था मॉडल लेवल एंड फ्यू क्वेश्चन वाज डिफिकल्ट. रीजनिंग सेक्शंस yes some of the questions very few questions are reasoning are easy and rest of the question are moderate to difficult levels. So on the basis of that things that I can say that 27 and second shift was moderate to difficult and my score is 56.33. तो नॉर्मलाइजेशन में मार्क्स इंक्रीज करेगा, ठीक है? इन नॉर्मलाइजेशन मार्क्स विल इंक्रीज. तो according to the lots of YouTubers analysis I'm said it has been said I'm under the OBC category. Okay, so according to myself what will be the cutoff Kolkata zone? Kolkata तो इसमें 80,000 14,000 this is the main thing. इसमें दो क्राइटेरिया है मतलब दो इन्फ्लुएंसिंग फैक्टर two parameters are here that will change the cutoff compared to the previous year. Okay, so here vacancy is 35,000 in 2019 and here 18,000 and it बाद में घटा था 14,000 relatively. तो इस वैकेंसी में इतना कटा और कंपटीशन इतना भी बढ़ नहीं गया और तो कटअप इसमें इतना चला जाएगा, ठीक है? तो मेरा मानना है or I just determine this in this year cutoff will go low, do not go so high. So I am just saying the raw score जिसका मॉडरेट टू डिफिकल्ट था, डिफिकल्ट इसका जनरल में जस्ट मॉडरेट टू डिफिकल्ट कोलकाता रीजन जस्ट डिस्कसिंग यूवर ओबीसी एससी एसटी. तो आई एम जस्ट नॉट नॉर्मलाइज्ड स्कोर ঠিক আছে, আমি কিন্তু নট নর্মালাইজড স্কোর আমি ক্যালকুলেট করছি বা বলছি. তো ইউর ক্যাটাগরি উইল গো, I think it would around 65 प्लस माइनस. दो घट सकता है, दो इंक्रीज कर सकता है. 2 marks could be increased, could decrease also. OBC 55 plus और माइनस. So 55 से ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं, 55 से इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. SC here you can see the range is different now. So here 50 plus minus drop from 50 plus minus. मतलब एक दो इंक्रीज सकते हैं. ST here 47, so it would be 40. You can see here the difference is 15. So you just see 40, 35 to 40, 38 plus minus. So this could be the range of the RRB NTPC 2015. Not normalized score, moderate to difficult level. I am not saying the easy score. Okay. So what will be the overall safe score for anyone? If we just compare the normalization marks, consider the normalized marks to the cutoff, then इसमें 79 गया. तो I think इसमें थोड़ा घटेगा, little bit drops, तो maybe 75. Okay, and what this comes may drop down. Okay, so it may be 66. Okay, it also decrease, can decrease, it also could decrease, could decrease. This will also decrease. Then this could be the range of the normalized score. So what is the main most important or crucial factor here for dropping down of this normalization score is vacancy and also the level of difficulty. If the level of difficulty is same, the normalization would be not. This didn't happen. Actually, it didn't happen. Easy, moderate, difficult shift बहुत इजी शिफ्ट में बहुत अच्छा मिल जाएगा मार्क्स. तो इसमें डोंट बी कंफ्यूज रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स, रेस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स, बिकॉज यू नो नॉर्मलाइजेशन में जिसका इजी शिफ्ट मिला है उसका नॉर्मलाइजेशन मार्क्स मिलेगा ही नहीं, एक दो मिलेगा, तीन. जिसका हार्ड शिफ्ट डिफिकल्ट मिल गया उसका ज़्यादा मिलेगा, मतलब नॉर्मलाइज को ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलेगा. दिस इज द थिंग. ओल्ड डेटा में कुछ यूट्यूबर एनालिसिस किया जाए, ओल्ड डेटा में ज़्यादा इंक्रीज करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. न्यू डेटा में ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. तो उसका लाख फीवर कर सकते हैं, ऐसे बोलता है जैसे न्यू फार्मूला में ज़्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं करेगा. तो दिस इज नॉट द फेयर आई थिंक. सो जिसका डिफिकल्ट मिला उसका नॉर्मलाइज को ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. एक दो सिर्फ इंक्रीज करके छोड़ देना ये ठीक नहीं है. तो दिस माय रिक्वेस्ट टू RRB also, and over taking the exam or determining the cutoff or safe score, so they should check their difficulty level and should compromise. I want to say to the all of the Jonas shift. So this will be the fair result for everyone. Okay, so you know nobody can determine the cutoff now, but I am just saying this range could be the same score. I am not saying this is normalized, not normalized score. This is for moderate to difficult level shift. Okay, I am just saying. And Kolkata is very competitive, so it will be little bit high compared to other zone. Kolkata, Allahabad, it's and Malda Patna little bit Guwahati, etc. Guwahati. I didn't say mention the name of Guwahati. Okay, so this will be the correct, I think, range according to myself. Okay, and I'm just expecting the result for myself and for others, and with good wishes for all the candidates who have given these exams and they are waiting for their result. I am also waiting. So thank you very much. Just subscribe and share if you like this video. Thank you. So you can see the Google search, मेरा चैनल का नाम इसमें दिया नहीं. गूगल सर्च में, गूगल में, यूट्यूब में सर्च करेगा अष्टम कुमार शाह, ASTAMKUMAR, अष्टम कुमार शाह. If you search these names, you will get the video in my channel. Just subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you very much.